It's finally here, the thing we've all been waiting for. The handler from GoPro. So we can stick it up our ass while we wait. Nah, the wait is over. Time for Mini 11. I'll shred it open like a heathen. Here we go. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Here it is. The 11 Mini. Get this shit off. Oh, it's doing something. And for comparison, Hero 10 and Action 2. It's quite a bit thicker. Quite a bit. Come on, focus. Focus, camera! Quite a bit thicker. Oh, there's the screen. Language, English. Yeah. Put in an SD card. Okay. Well, the first thing I want to do is I want to remove these and these. See how much it weighs. Hang on, let's see how much it weighs with them. Okay. GoPro 10, 159 grams. Action 2, 55.5 grams. Mini 11, 131 grams with wings. Let me take these wings off. Two loops, 14.7 grams. So you're basically taking 15 grams off the weight by removing the loops. So Mini 11 without the loops, 116 grams. Loops come off right there and right there, and they look exactly the same as the old style loops, probably the same part. Need to put an SD card in there.